Whenever you're working on any new estimate, one of the things you're going to want to do, and probably do very often, is to preview the estimate and see what it looks like on the client side of things before you send it to them, just to make sure that you have maybe your visibility settings all correct, your attachments are in the correct order and whatnot. So the easiest way to do that is, while you're in the estimate edit screen, is to click on the preview button down here, or you can see the same magnifying glass with the plus sign up here. And if you click on that, you get basically a version of this estimate that is viewable in very much the same way that the client would see this. So you can go through all the thumbnail and proposal pages up here. You can go to the cost estimate down here. You'll be able to see the format and layout and visibility settings exactly how the client would see them. You'd see the terms and conditions there, and you'd have an approval block that will show the language that's going to be there. You're not going to see the digital signature block and everything that the client will see, but it gives you the language that they're going to see when they approve the estimate. So this is a quick way to make sure that, hey, everything's good to go before I send this off to my client. One other way you can view an estimate and preview it is not only from the estimate edit screen, but I can go into a particular row on the dashboard in the same estimate, and I can click on the checkbox here, and then I have a set of toolbars up here that comes up, and I can click the preview, same preview icon, and again I'll be able to preview my estimate. Okay, so one thing to note is that when the client receives this estimate, they will have a slightly different version of this viewer that you will see. They will have, the Trackfront client preview viewer, which has the approve buttons, modify, decline, postpone buttons up here. They will still be able to go through all of the proposal pages just like this. They will see the same cost estimate formatted exactly the same way. They will see the contractual language, and then down at the bottom, as I mentioned, they will see the same approval block language that you saw on your preview side of things. The only difference is they will have this signature block where they can upload their signature or type a signature or draw it, for instance, and then enter their title and then click approved. So that's a quick overview on previewing estimates in various parts of Trackfront.